I'm taking you for a house tour today and learning some vocabulary of parts of the house. Hi, welcome to Weekend Canto. 粵講 is Tracy here. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's go inside. 呢度係玄關，呢度係玄關，呢度係飯廳，呢度係飯廳，呢度係客廳，呢度係客廳，呢度係廚房，呢度係廚房，呢度係浴室，呢度係浴室。呢度係洗衣房，呢度係洗衣房，呢度係睡房，呢度係睡房，呢度係後院，呢度係後院。That's a quick tour, isn't it? Now let's go through all the vocabulary one more time. 玄關，呢度係玄關。飯廳，呢度係飯廳，客廳，呢度係客廳，廚房，呢度係廚房，浴室，呢度係浴室，洗衣房，呢度係洗衣房，睡房，呢度係睡房。後院，呢度係後院。Which is your favorite part of the house? Comment down below and share with us. That's all for now. If you'd like to learn more about Cantonese, please check out my other videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!